When I was 10, I stuffed my uncle's boots with goat shit. When confronted with my crime, I blamed the squire. Poor boy was flogged. I escaped justice when I was 12. Milked my heel to half the treasure stew. I flogged the one-eyed snake, skinned my sausage. I made the bald man cry. Gave him the turtle stew, which I do believe my sister ate, at least I hope she did. I once brought a jackass and a honeycomb into a brothel.
Silence! What happened next? What do you think you're doing?
Confessing my crime.
Lord Tyrion, you were accused of hiring a man to slay my son Bran in his bed, and of conspiring to murder my sister's husband, Lord Jon Arryn, the Hand of the King.
I'm very sorry. I don't know anything about all that.
You've had a little joke. I trust you enjoyed it. Lord, take him back to the dungeon. This time find a smaller cell with a steeper floor.
Is this how justice is done in the Vale? You accuse me of crimes. I deny them. So you throw me into a cell to freeze and starve. Where is the king's justice? I am accused and demand a trial.
If your child is found guilty, then by the king's own laws you will pay with your life.
I understand the law.
We have no execution in the Eve. Life is more elegant here. Open the moon door.